Hello, we are ready for Unit 5, Week 2, Day 1. This week, our essential question is, what can you see in the sky? What are some things that you can see in the sky if you were to go outside? You might see birds. You might see planes. You might see clouds, right? You might see rain if it's raining or snow if it's snowing. Right? We can see some different things in the sky. All right, let's go ahead and start with our vocabulary words. Our first vocabulary word is observe. Can you say that? Observe. To observe is to watch it carefully. So if you are observing the sky, you are looking at the sky. All right, our next word is vast. Vast. When something is vast, it is very large. It's big. So if something is vast, it's big, right? This ship is vast. It's very large. All right, you are going to tell me which two words rhyme. Turn, torn, earn. Turn, earn rhyme. All right, let's do another one. Make, far, scar. Which two words rhyme? Far, scar. Nice work. All right, let's do another one. Herd, chirp, third. Herd, third rhyme. Rain, plane, pay. Rain, plane rhyme. Roar, cart, core. Roar, core rhyme. Goal, oat, goat. Oat, goat rhyme. Nice rhyming work. All right, this week in phonics, we are going to be talking about ER, IR, UR, and OR and what they say. They say like in her, All right, so let's get your lion paws out, tiger paws out, and let's tap. Here we go. Bird, bird. Worm. Dirt, clerk. Nice sounding out. Nice job sounding out. All right. Let's go ahead and sound out some words. All right, so our first one is a plant. Do you know what kind of plant this is? This plant is a fern. A fern. All right, so let's tap it. Are you ready? Fern. Fern. All right, what's my first sound? F. And this is ER. And what's my last sound? N. F-E-R-N spells fern. All right, let's go ahead and do this bottom one. All right, this is a church. Let's tap it. Church. What says ch? C-H. This is U-R, and our last sound is ch. C-H. Church. Nice job. All right, we're going to go ahead and do this one. This one is a bear, right? But what is it pointing to on the bear? Fur, fur. All right, let's see. Fur. All right, what's our first sound? F. And then this is U-R. All right, this one is stir. Stir. Let's tap it. Stir. What's my first sound? S, T. And this says I-R. Oops, I-R. All right, we're going to read some sentences today. Here we go. The girls at work were thirsty. Let's read it again. The girls at work were thirsty. Nice job. All right, is there any words in that sentence? Girls, work, were, and thirsty. There was 4. That was a lot. All right, let's do another one. A big bird lurks on top of the church. One more time. A big bird lurks on top of the church. Are there any words in that sentence? Bird, lurks, and church. All right, let's read our last sentence. Fern will hurry back to change her skirt. Fern will hurry back to change her skirt. Fern has hurry, her, and skirt. Nice job. All right, we are ready to introduce our sight words for today. This word is another. Another. Let's use it in a sentence. Can you please bring me another drink? Can you think of a sentence for another? All right, we are going to go ahead and skywrite it. So get those 2 pointer fingers out. Here we go. A, N, O, T, H, E, R. Another. All right, let's do eyes closed. A, N, O, T, H, E, R. Another. And you know what I like to do about this word is I like to think about it. I see other and I see an, right? Another. All right, let's do our next word. This word is climb. We don't really hear the B sound, right? We hear climb, and this I says its name. All right, let's use it in a sentence. I climb up the stairs. Can you come up with a sentence for climb? All right, let's skywrite. Here we go. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Eyes closed. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Nice job. All right, here is our next word. Full. Full. I am so full from dinner. Full. Can you think of a sentence to use full? All right, let's skywrite it. F-U-L-L. Nice job. Full. All right, eyes closed. F-U-L-L. Full. All right, here's another one. Now this one's a little tricky, right? It has eat in it, but it doesn't say eat. This is ate. Great. This EA says the A sound. Great. All right. This story is really great, or you are really great at writing your name. Can you think of a sentence using great? All right, let's skywrite it. Here we go. G-R-E-A-T. R, E, A, T. Great. All right, eyes closed. G, R, E, A, T. Great. Nice work. All right, here is our next word. Our next word is pour. Pour. The poor dog got all wet in the rain. Pour. Can you think of a sentence for pour? Let's skywrite. P-O-O-R. Pour. Eyes closed. P-O-O-R. Pour. All right, here's our last word, and this word is kind of big, but I know you can do it. This word is through. Through. I walk through the door. Through. All right, let's skywrite it. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Through. All right, let's do eyes closed. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Through. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.